first half of the summer, we would have said, well, it's going to rain this weekend. Might as well go check that out, do something inside. Finally, we're changing the pattern.
Yeah, and I was telling you, I saw that exhibit when it was down in Providence area. It's great. It's very realistic. They make the dinosaurs breathe and everything.
It's impressive what they can do now.
Pretty cool. But yeah, it's ironic in a way that it's inside because it will be a nice weekend. We're going to get this front through here.
Enjoy.
We're going to do the Friday shower thing first, which is
okay, of course.
what we do. It's okay. If it's only one day, that's all right. It's 70s right now, and we talked about how today was going to feel warmer. It already does. It is warmer in a lot of spots. Dew points are up, too, compared to where we were yesterday, and so you'll notice a little change in the air mass. Not terrible. Dew points in the upper 50s to around 60, but not as crisp as it's been. We've seen a lot of dews in the 40s, which is when you really think about that crisp air mass. Upper 50s to around 60 is fine. It's pretty neutral stuff. A lot of sunshine along the coastline. Notice, though, encroaching clouds into western Maine and back into New Hampshire and Vermont. This is kind of showers ahead of the main front. It's technically called a prefrontal trough. Doesn't really matter. It just means the front is back here, the showers are out ahead of it, and then there'll be more of them when the front itself moves through. Relatively weak, although it is hard to tell sometimes in the northeast kingdom of Vermont. There's a big radar hole here because they've got the radar in the Champlain Valley. It can't shoot over the mountains, and then our radar can't see over the other side of the White Mountains. So either way, there might be more showers in there than it looks like. As it progresses towards us over the next few hours, there's a chance of a shower over western Maine and southern Maine in the afternoon, although I think the vast majority of us are dry until after sunset tonight when we see some showers coming through. A rumble of thunder not out of the question, especially through the first half of the evening. And tomorrow is definitely an unsettled day. It's largely cloudy. I just want to be clear, though, it is not a washout kind of day. It's not raining all day, but there will be periods of rain. Here we are in the morning. There's a break maybe through the late morning hours where there's just a mixture of sun and clouds, and then more showers and storms come through in the afternoon and evening. This round, which is 6, 7, 8 o'clock, is likely to be the stronger round in terms of precipitation, as well as the possibility for a couple of severe storms in there. We'll obviously track those, keep an eye on them if they do develop. And then the front moves offshore, and that's been the whole key to this forecast. Over the last 2 days, the front has moved faster and faster, and so now it is offshore by Saturday morning. And this model doesn't even have any showers into extreme down East Maine to start the day. Either way, we all clear out into sunny skies through the middle of the day, and then another pop-up shower possible in the afternoon, but this will just be kind of normal summery stuff, and I think the weekend overall looks really good. So rainfall amounts from this front, it kind of depends. This model has some big numbers, but it's really sporadic, so it's trying to place where those heavy cells, those heavy thunderstorm cells will be, which is very hard to do. Just be aware, within those cells there could be some heavy downpours. If you miss the heavier cells, there won't be as much rain. That's really what this map is telling you. Forget about the exact numbers there. So there's that front offshore. Sunday looks good, Monday looks good as well, and then our next chance of showers comes in on Tuesday. Guess what, Brian? What do you think the next time of rain after Tuesday?
Friday!
Friday, next Friday, front comes through again. Unbelievable. Just kind of funny when that happens. And then once you notice, you can't unsee it. But we'll get a lot of nice days in between. The weekend, it does look really pleasant, especially Sunday. Bit humid Monday, not terrible though. Showers and storms around on Tuesday, should clear out Wednesday and Thursday, and then do our Friday cold front thing again. The key though is that the fronts are actually moving away by Friday night.
Okay.
That was one of the big differences between the first half of the summer and this half.
Stuck with the rain on Saturday.
Yeah, they would just sit there, and we're not seeing that. So.
All right, they can come. Move along though.
Yeah, move it along.
Keith, thanks.